All right, 2018 Nissan Rogue. We got to do the wheel bearing. They're going to be taking this can out, this cap off, nut off, caliper holder off, and we should be able to work our way back in and get 4 of these guys off with a little swivel socket. You're gonna want to take this sensor off first too, to make sure you don't break that thing. So, all right, let's get to it. There's the part number. I'll put this in the description below. Just click the link. I'm gonna need to get some stronger pliers on this one probably here. Probably need both hands. There we go. Ooh. Oh. All right. That guy off of there. Before I go any further, let's go ahead and get this guy off. Get that sensor out of there. Once you break it free, you can use this as a screwdriver. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pop it right on out. Now that's out of the way. You ain't gonna worry about breaking it. 14 millimeter. We're gonna take this one and this one off. 14 millimeter. Buckle free. And out. These brake pads need to be replaced, but she doesn't want to do that. The sales guy trying to convince her they are done. Whatever. Singer was off top on the inside. There you go. Got them off. All right, and then we've got these big guys right here and right here. We need to get them out. Those are 19 millimeters. They're broken free. Your wipers are shit. Take them off. Rotor off. I had to hit it with a rubber mallet all around it until it went boonk and popped off. He always said, don't force it, get a bigger hammer. All right, we're gonna get this nut off now. 32 millimeter, inch and 5/16 will fit. It's a little loose though. We're going to shove this axle in a ways as far as it'll go, and then 17 millimeter swivel. So swivel setup on it. Axle pushed in a little ways. Not want to let go. Hold on. Gonna break out more oomph. Yeah, I got it set up on this side right now. Gotta get to the other side. Here. Whoop. Just put that anywhere. Oh, Jesus. All right, we got them 4 out. And we gotta get this guy off. Remember, this opening goes like that. There we go. All right, let me use 2 hands on that. The dust shield on the other one. I'm gonna have to finagle it a little bit. Get this one. You gotta just put everybody back together the way it goes. I'm gonna need both hands for that. We got it all tightened on. See all the threads down in there. We got this plate sitting on this side like that. Go ahead and pop this big nut right here on her. 32 millimeter. Nice and tight. This guy in. Bent up so it doesn't come off. I'm gonna hit that with a hammer just to kind of tighten it up a little bit. Like that. Rotor, I'll need both hands. Caliper mount will go on next, like so, with the 2 big bolts. And 19 millimeter, tie it down. Good and tight. All right, oh yeah, brake pads now. So the brake pads, the one without the squealers on the inside, you've got these little metal tabs. You're gonna get these, they're supposed to push these out. So those are gonna be inside and pushing it outwards. Hold on here. I need both hands and get it in. Like so. You see it's underneath it. So it'll pull it out off the rotor. All right, get the other one as well with the feeler up. It goes right back on. Just make sure that these flat sides line up with it to where it'll go all the way in, whatever, like so. And then we're going to use these bolts here, 14 millimeter. And we get them started. All right, tighten them down. Nice, good and tight. There it is. All right, and then we've got the last one is the 10 millimeter for the sensor. Go ahead and slide that back in, nice and gentle like. Get that 10 millimeter on, tightened up. Now I'll put the bearings in the description below. Just click the link. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, hit that subscribe button. Oh, give me a thumbs up. You get the rest of it. Peace.